Hey guys, how's it going today? Pretty simple lesson today. We're going to be doing lesson 5 in your book. We're going to start doing the standard algorithm for multiplying two-digit numbers. And the first one that we're going to do is 23 times 31. So 23, multiply that by 31. We're going to do it slightly different than you've seen before. We're going to start with an area model. And the way that the area model is you're going to draw a box, like so. First number goes at the top. The second number, start at the bottom and split it by place value. So 31, we have a 30 and a 1. And then you're going to split it, like so. 1 times 23 is 23. And then we're going to do 23 times 30. Well, 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. And 0 means we had a 0 at the end. If we add all of that together, so we would have 690, add on 23, that gives us 813. The way we now check it is we actually do 23 times 31. Start with my ones place. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 2 is 2. We're moving over to our 10, so we need to add a 0. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 2 is 6. Add it up. 3, 11, 7. Now, if we look, 23 should match. 690 should match. And then our answer should match. But on this one, look, I made a mistake. I have 713 and 813. So I need to recheck. And if I look here, 6 plus 1 is 7. It's not 8. So that's why it's important to do this and check it. Make sure you get the right answer. Okay, so number 2, I'm going to do a little bit harder one, 343 times 21. So area model again. First number goes on top. Starting at the bottom, split the second number by place value. So that's going to be a 20 and a 1. 343 times 1 gives me 343. Then this one we're going to break it up into 343 times 20. So first we're going to multiply 343 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6. 4 times 2 is 8. 3 times 2 is 6. Add a 0. Now we're going to add those two partial products together. 3, 10, 12, 7. And now we're going to do the actual. So we're going to take 343 and multiply it by 21. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 3 is 3. It matches. Check. Now we need to go over to the 2, add a 10. 3 times 2 is 6. 4 times 2 is 8. 3 times 2 is 6. It matches. Check. Add them together. 3, 10, 12, 7. So we should get 7203 and 7203. Checkmate. It matches. Okay, on to the next one, 231 times 32. And this will be the last one we do. Real quick video tonight. 231 times 32. So the first thing we're going to do, area model. First number goes on the top. And then we split it up into the 30 and the 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 1 is 2. So that's our first partial product. Second one, 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 1 is 3. Add a 0. That's our second partial product. add them together. 2, 9, 13, 7. And now we're going to do our standard algorithm. 2 times 1 is 2, 3 times 2 is 6, 2 times 2 is 4. Partial matches, so we should be good. Add a 0, because now we're multiplying in the tens place. 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 2 is 6. Those match, we're good there. Add our partials together. 2 plus 0 is 2, 6 plus 3 is 9. And today's secret code word is, there is no secret code word. 9 plus 4 is 13, 6 and 1 is 7, 7,392, 7,392. There's our answer. Have a great night, guys. See you tomorrow in class.